Hi YouTube, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can adjust an image into any shape by using clipping mask. Alright, first of all, create a new file or you can open an existing one. I'm gonna create a new file of 1920 by 1080. Click create. Alright, first step is I will place an image on the canvas. Go to file, place, select the image, click on place, and drag on the canvas accordingly. Alright, draw a shape in which you want to place your image. I will select the ellipse tool, draw an ellipse on the image, select the selection tool, select both of them, go to object, here you can see clipping mask. Click on make, or you can also use the shortcut, that is Ctrl+7. When you click on make, the image will be clipped to the shape you drew. You can also adjust the image where it suits you better. Here, the image has been clipped. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.